In this video, we are discussing an introduction to trigonometry. Here, the word trigonometry is derived from three words. That is, first word is tri. Tri means three. Then second word is gon. Gon means sides. And the third word is metron. So metron means measurements. So three-sided polygon, we know that is triangle. So measurements related to triangles. That is a simply that is a bad meaning of trigonometry. So let's consider a triangle. For this, we are considering a right angle triangle. Let's consider this right angle triangle. So here we have a right angle triangle, right angle at B. So we already know for a right angle triangle, the longest side will be the side opposite to the right angle. That means here the right angle is B, so side opposite to the angle B is AC. So that is the longest side here. For every right angle, this will be the opposite side, the side opposite to right angle. So that side is called hypotenuse. The longest side in a right angle triangle, that is called hypotenuse, that will be opposite to the right angle. And we are considering or we are fixing an angle in this right angle triangle. Suppose we are fixing one angle here. Let it be angle A. If I am fixing this angle A, and observing from this angle A or considering from this angle A with respect to angle A, if I am observing this side CB, this is opposite to angle A. So this is the side opposite to uh, angle A. So this side is called opposite side with respect to angle A. And while I am observing side AB from this angle, this side can be considered as adjacent to angle A. So this side is called adjacent side with respect to angle A. So I am considering this angle, while I am considering this angle, AB is adjacent to angle A and CB is opposite to angle A. And same way I can consider C. If I am considering C as the angle or angle under consideration, AB will be the opposite side and CB will be the adjacent side. Anyhow, I am taking now angle A. And it is observed that, and the idea of trigonometry is that if you are fixing the measurement of angle A, and if you are changing, then if you are changing the measurement of opposite side, the adjacent side also will be changed. That means initially, please note that if you are fixing this value of angle A, and if you are changing the value of opposite side, the adjacent side and hypotenuse, all other measurements also will be changed accordingly. So that there will be a ratio. There will be a ratio between opposite side and adjacent side, opposite side and hypotenuse, and adjacent side and hypotenuse. So there can be different ratios. These ratios will be fixed. So first of all, let's consider the ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse. So that ratio is called sine ratio of angle A. For this fixed angle, sine ratio is defined as sine value of angle A. So this we write, usually we write as SINA, sine A. Sine A means sine value of angle A. So I am writing here as sine value of angle A, that is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So this value is fixed for every right angle triangle. Second ratio is cosine value of angle A. Second, we are defining cosine of angle A. Cosine value of angle A, that is defined as adjacent side, the ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse. The ratio between adjacent side and hypotenuse is called cosine value of angle A. That means AB divided by AC. So in this case, this is AB divided by AC. And in third case, third ratio is tangent value of angle A. Tangent value of angle A is defined as the ratio between tangent ratio of angle A is defined as opposite side divided by adjacent side. tangent ratio is defined as the ratio between opposite side and adjacent side. And from this figure, we can observe that for sine value of angle A or sine ratio of angle A is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So from the figure, that is CV divided by AC. And cosine value of angle A is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means here AB by AC. And the tangent ratio of angle A is defined as opposite by adjacent. That means CB by AB. And from here we can observe that tangent value can be defined as sine value divided by cos value. So that is tangent value can be defined as the ratio between sine value of A divided by cosine value of A. So instead of sine ratio of A, we can write sine A. Cosine ratio of A, instead of that I can write cos A. Tangent value of A, then can write as tan A. So tangent value is also defined as sin A divided by cos A. You can observe from the definition of this opposite side divided by hypotenuse divided by adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuses will be cancelled each other and you will get opposite by adjacent. So that is the definition of tangent value. Now let's see the same idea with the use of some interactive triangles. And here you can see the basic idea, the very important idea of trigonometry. Size of the triangle does not matter. So this is a common doubt when we are learning this. We may feel this as a common doubt. Here this is a very important thing we must know. Size of the triangle does not matter. The triangle can be large or small and the ratio of sides stays the same. Whatever be the size of the triangle, let it be very small triangle, let it be very large triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, this ratio and if the angle is fixed, the ratio will be remain same. So that can be shown with the use of this interactive triangle. Here, sine value is considered, and this angle 30 is fixed. Here you can see this angle that is 30 degree. That is, I have fixed this 30 degree, and we can change this angle, and we can see as per the definition of sine value we have defined the sine value is sine theta or sine theta. I can consider the theta of 30 degree here. Sine theta means we know opposites divided by adjacent side. So that means if I am considering this as angle C, here it is AB divided by AC. Here AB is 9.42. You can see here this is value of AB, and hypotenuse is AC 18.84. So that is a measurement of hypotenuse. Now let's try to change the value of opposite side and the hypotenuse. So if I am changing the opposite side, hypotenuse automatically will change. So whenever the size of the triangle is getting larger, the hypotenuse also getting changed, and the adjacent side also getting changed, but the ratio is same. So you can see the sine 31 always same. The ratio is always same, whatever be the size of the triangle. Okay, so this is the way sine 30 is defined. And if I am changing this angle, let it be 45 degree. Then again I am changing the sides. The ratio is kept same, that is 0.707. So that is the value of sine 45. Whatever be the size of the triangle, this ratio is remain same. Now let's see the same for other trigonometric ratios as well. So for other trigonometric ratios, if I am considering the cos value of the same angle, the value is changed. Now the ratio is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is the ratio we are considering now. And now I am changing the value. I will get the same value here. I am getting the same ratio here. And for the tan values also, I can consider I can see the same things. For this interactive triangle, you can also try this. I shall give the link for this page in the description box. This is from my website mathsisfun.com. The link I will share in the description box. You must try this. These three are the main and very important trigonometric ratios. And we have three more trigonometric ratios. They are actually the reciprocals of sine, cos, and tangent. Okay, the reciprocal of sine A. That means 1 divided by sine A. The reciprocal of sine A is defined as 1 divided by sine A. So that is defined as cosecant value of A. Cosecant of A. And that is defined as, we know, hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. And same way we can consider the reciprocal of cosine A. That means 1 by cosine A. 1 by cosine value of A. That means the reciprocal of cosine A is defined as secant of A. Secant value of A. And that is defined as the reciprocal of cosine means hypotenuse divided by opposite side. And same way we can consider the reciprocal of tangent. So that is another trigonometric ratio. That means 1 by tangent A. 1 by tangent value of A means that is defined as cotangent value of A. Cotangent value of A. And that is defined as adjacent side divided by opposite side. So just the reciprocal of tangent value. So totally 6 trigonometric ratios are there: sine value, cosine value, tangent value, cosecant value, secant value, and cotangent value. So this can be written as cosec, and secant value usually be written as sec, and cotangent value is usually written as cot. So these 6 are the basic trigonometric ratios. Basic trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, and tan. Their reciprocals are cosec, secant, and cotangent respectively. So totally there are 6 trigonometric ratios.